not turn off this device as this information is vital to your survival. Please stand by as normal programming is disabled until further notice.
The government of the United States did not call it, but sent out a message to broadcast to take on EAS voice at 5 p.m. Eastern, Western, Central Daylight Time. This is not a test, and this message is not actually a joke. The continental emergency is happening not only here in the United States, but in every part of North America, including Canada, Mexico, Cuba, Haiti, Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico. The blue and green explosives that originates from Puerto Rico and Florida has reached to the entire continent. All residents in the warned areas are advised to seek a local fallout, rapid or underground shelter until further notice. All programming is discontinued until further notice, and it will temporarily cease to broadcast until March of this year, 2022, on the 10th. God bless you all. God bless the United States and the entire continent.